The song Walang Natira by Lokman strongly reflects the current situation of the Philippines in the context of the contemporary world. It highlights the painful reality of Filipinos leaving their own country not because they want to, but because they feel they have no choice. The title itself suggests emptiness, na parabang kahit tao, pag-asa at kinabukasan ay unti-unting nauubos sa sariling bayan. One of the main reasons presented in the song is poverty. Many Filipinos struggle to meet their basic needs despite working hard. In the contemporary global system, countries compete economically, but developing nations like the Philippines often lag behind. Dahil dito, mas maraming skilled workers ang nangingibang bansa para lamang mabigyan ng mas maayos sa buhay ang kanilang mga pamilya. Another factor or second reason is consumption. Sa modern world, mataas ang expectation sa lifestyle. Needs and wants to continue to increase, influenced by globalization and media. However, wages in the country remain low. This imbalance pushes people to seek opportunities abroad where their skills are better compensated, kahit kapalit nito ang paglayo sa pamilya at sariling kultura. Lastly, or the third reason is inflation. Inflation worsens the situation. Prices of basic goods continue to rise while the salaries remain stagnant. Kahit may trabaho, hindi pa rin sapat para mabuhay ng dignified. This economic pressure forces professionals such as nurses, teachers, engineers, and other skilled workers to leave the country, contributing to brain drain. My realization from the song is that brain drain is not just an individual choice. It is a national rooted in systemic problems. Hindi kasalanan ng mga umaalis, kundi bunga ito ng mga kakulangan ng oportunidad at maayos na pamumuno. To lessen the brain drain, the government must prioritize job creation, fair wages, and anti-corruption measures. Investing in local industries, education, and healthcare can encourage professionals to stay. Price control and proper economic planning can also help ease the burden of inflation. Most importantly, leaders must listen to the people and act of common good. In conclusion, Walang Natira is not just a song. It is a social commentary on the struggles of Filipinos in the contemporary world. It calls for a change so that one day, Filipinos will choose to stay not because they are forced to, but because their own country is finally enough. Thank you.